Before we get to the last category in Unit 9, I just want to say that sometimes in my videos you're going to hear background noise. We live with 4 dogs, and they're all indoor dogs. And so it's very difficult to tape without getting any kind of background noise from them. So if you hear crying, whining, scratching, chances are it's one of them. And all I can do is ask that you ignore it and just pay attention to what I have to say. And again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience that this background noise may cause you. So moving on, our final category is numbers. And we're actually doing some number incorporation. Remember, that's when we take a sign and incorporate it with a number. And we're talking about money, and specifically money that's less than $1. So that would be your coins or your cents. And there's 2 ways that you can sign cents. You can sign cents, which is from the head, cents, or you can finger spell it. Both are accepted, okay? And then with that, so if this is your cents, so 1 cent would be a penny. 5 cent, nickel. 10 cents, a dime. So I'm pointing to the head, 10 cents. Let's see, 25 cents, a quarter. 50 cents, you can't say it real. 50, or they'll do this, 50, so you can see it. 50 cents. 60, 70, 80, I'm pointing to the head, 90 before I do it. That's number incorporation. Then when we get up to $1, $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then when we get to $10, $10, $11, $12, $13, and so forth, okay? If you're going to incorporate the money with the cents, it looks something like this. $1, 5 cents. $1, 25 cents. $30, 50 cents. Okay? So remember, the limit for the twisting motion is up to $9. Then it becomes the dollar bills, 10, 11, so forth, all the way up to forever. And the cents is from the head until you get up to the $1. And then when you incorporate, you twist that, $1, 30 cents, $4, 50 cents, and so forth. All the way up until, again, you get to 10, and then it's 10, 25, 11, 43, whatever, okay? So keep that in mind when you're signing your money. And don't get it confused with your times. Remember, time comes from the wrist where the watch is. So that's how we know it's time. So make sure when you're signing your time signs that you're using your wrist. But the money comes from the head, and then it looks like the ordinal numbers with the twisting motion. Again, the limit is 9. So that concludes all of our vocabulary for Unit 9.